There is something special about Huye, a town that does not shout for attention, yet quietly steals your heart. The morning air feels calm and fresh, as the hills slowly wake up under soft sunshine. Students walk through the streets with dreams in their eyes. Motorcycles move gently between cafés and bookstores, and every corner carries a story of knowledge, culture, and peace. In Huye, history and modern life blend beautifully together. From the legacy of the former Butare town to the vibrant energy brought by the University of Rwanda. The town breathes intelligence, creativity, and simplicity. The roads are lined with green trees. The surrounding hills roll endlessly into the horizon, and the sunsets paint the sky with warm, golden colors that make you pause for a moment and simply admire life. What makes Huye truly beautiful is not only its landscape, it is the people. Warm smiles, respectful conversations, local markets full of life, and a peaceful atmosphere that makes every visitor feel at home. If you are looking for a place where culture, education, nature, and calmness meet, Huye is more than a destination. It is a feeling. Welcome to Huye, the heart of wisdom and beauty in Rwanda.